Do you know you can turn natural farming into serious profit without chemicals, without stress, and even with small capitals? Welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing, where I share practical tips on how to make money, save, budget, and grow your money offline and online. Please do me a favor to subscribe to my channel, like, and ask questions in the comment section. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 7 organic farming business ideas that are not only profitable but also in high demand locally and globally. Whether you're farming in your backyard or on a plot of land, these ideas will inspire your next money move. First on the list is organic vegetable farming. Think of scent leaf, fluted pumpkin, example, ugu, spinach like eforiro, and water leaf. These are hot in Nigerian kitchens and even more valuable when grown without chemical. You can use compost and neem spray instead of fertilizer and pesticide. Customers love it and it sells fast in local market and online. The second is going into organic poultry. Raising chickens without synthetic feeds or antibiotics. Organic chickens, meat and eggs are a niche market, but they sell at premium. Third is herbal farming, like ginger, turmeric, lemongrass, bitter leaf. These herbs are powerful health booster and people demands on it are high, looking for natural remedies more than ever. The fourth one is organic dairy. Have you ever heard of organic milk or yogurt? It is a gold mine. Goat milk is easier to digest and used for skin and health purposes, and you can get milk for yogurt from cows. The fifth one is mushroom farming. Organic oyster and shitted mushrooms are high in demand. With low space and good humidity, you can start right from home. Number 6 is organic compost production. This is a real gold mine. I once visited a site where these organic composts are made and kept. Then a bag was sold for 15,000 naira. Now it's even more than that. The guy sold 10 bags in my presence. Though it's dirty as you think, but those people are making real money. Don't just farm organically, make money from the compost. Many farmers are looking for natural manure they can use. You can package your kitchen waste, animal droppings, and dry leaves into compost for sale. The 7, which is the last one, it's organic seedling nursery. Run organic seedling nursery, grow and sell chemical-free seedlings for vegetables and herbs. People prefer to buy healthy seedlings than risk growing from poor quality seed. Package in small bags and brand yourself as organic plant source. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it with someone looking to start a clean, profitable business. Now you have 7 hot organic farming business ideas that you can start with little money but grow into real income. I'll be dropping more ideas on how to make money from farming. So please turn on your notification bell. Thank you.